வணக்கம் அண்ட் வெல்கம் பேக் டு ஜப்ஸ் ஃபார் யூர் தமிழ். இன்றைக்கான வீடியோவில் என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா பிரைம் நெக்ஸ்ட், அதாவது ஏடிசி நியூஸ் அபெக்ஸ் டிஜிட்டல் சேனல்னு சொன்னால் கண்டிப்பாக எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். டெலகிராமை ஓப்பன் பண்ணாலே ஏகப்பட்ட மெசேஜஸ் தான் சொல்ல முடியும். ஸோ எப்போ தான் நம்ம போட்ட அமௌண்ட் கிடைக்கும், ரீஃபண்ட் தருவாங்களா மாட்டாங்களா, டாப் லீடர்ஸ்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காங்க, ஸோ கம்பெனி சைட்லேருந்து என்ன ஒரு அஃபிஷியலான அப்டேட் கூட காணோம். இது போல் ஏகப்பட்ட மெசேஜஸ் டெலகிராமில் கேட்டுகிட்டே இருக்கீங்க. அண்ட் குரூப்ஸில் ஃபோன் கான்வர்சேஷன்ஸ், ஆடியோஸ் அது போல் நிறைய போயிட்டு தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ இதுக்கு ஃபுல் ஸ்டாப் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நிறைய பேர் தெரியாமலே இருக்கீங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் உங்களுக்கு எல்லா இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸும் கிடைக்கும்னு நம்புகிறேன். ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் இறுதி வரைக்கும் ஃபுல்லாக பாருங்கள். நீங்கள் இன்னும் நம்ம சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலன்னா இந்த வீடியோ கீழே தெரிகிற ரெட் கலர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கிளிக் பண்ணோன்னே பக்கத்தில் பெல் ஐக்கான் ஷோ ஆகும். ஜஸ்ட்டாக கிளிக் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு 3 ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் அப்பியர் ஆகும். ஜஸ்ட் அதில் ஃபஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷன் ஆல் கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டா போதும். நம்ம சேனலில் போடுற ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோ அப்டேட்ஸும் உங்களுக்கு வந்து சேரும். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம்.
Good news to all ADC promoters. At last, the final solution to create a huge demand for existing dollars has been identified. And in the process, I am happy to say that you can earn more money. And we are implementing this latest within 7 days or before Saturday. And I will update you, or you can keep in touch with your uplines. And the most important thing is the ADC News app will come in place of Prime Next, and we are bringing back the bank withdrawal option in the new system, but in a different manner. It will not be the same thing as we were doing earlier, but yes, you can use the previous dollars which has been generated till date and create a new network within the same ADC News, and you can do bank withdrawal. Gradually, we are reducing the promoter packages, which has been creating a lot of liability. Like BP5 and BP6 will be removed by this month ending, and likewise BP3 and 4 will be removed by next month ending, and BP1 and 2 will be removed by maybe July, August ending. Okay. Here we shall start doing the new network with the subscription codes, and with just 300 rupees subscription code, an ordinary subscriber can earn 200 rupees per day for lifetime. And of course there is a minimum withdrawal of 500 rupees. And if a person is in a promoter package, whether he is BP1 or BP6, he can earn 500 rupees binary per day on 300 rupees subscription sales. And here the maximum withdrawal is the minimum withdrawal is 1000. Maximum is no limit. And we have to create franchises for getting higher income. See, a subscriber is getting 200. So how to increase his ceiling? There are 3 different franchises which we have created. One is called area franchisee, one is called district franchisee, the other is called master franchisee. An area franchisee, the advantage is that his ceiling will become 10 pairs per day, that is 1000 rupees, but he has to invest one time 150 ADC dollars. Then he can increase his ceiling from 500 to 1000 rupees. So maybe maximum within 15 days you can recover your cost. Likewise, district franchisee will cost you $450, but your daily income will go up to 1500 rupees with a minimum withdrawal of 200 rupees. And the third is the master franchisee. Here a person has to pay $1000, and his daily ceiling will be increased to 20 pairs, and the minimum withdrawal is 3000 rupees or 4000 rupees. I know I will decide the minimum withdrawal amount 500, 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000. different 4 categories. Okay, and the subscription code which I am giving for it was earlier for 1 year, now it will be only for 3 months. Now this is the first of its kind. We are creating something called repetitive binary. Repetitive binary means suppose you are having two persons, one in A team and one B team, two subscribers, you are getting 100 rupees, and that is the end of it in a regular binary system. In a repetitive binary, these two people has to do a renewal every 3 months, and each time they renew, you get a fresh binary. So two people will keep on getting you binary for every 3 months 100 rupees, provided they do the renewal. And if any person does not do the renewal, all his incomes, generations, calculations will be stopped and put it in a dormant mode, and whenever he does the renewal, the calculation will start from that particular day onwards. So be careful that you don't miss your renewal. So we are creating and expecting a subscriber, franchisee base of 1000 master franchises in the next 15 days, and we will be ending up somewhere near 10,000 master franchises, which will utilize the entire dollars in the market. Okay, so there are so many new announcements which will be coming slowly. Just keep following it, or keep your get the information through your upline. For every small thing, don't call to the company. You and your upline and downline start discussing and get the information from your upline, and we will keep you posting new updates on a regular basis. And no need to panic. You know the Apex policy. The Apex policy is that no single person should lose at even 1 rupee also. Whether they make a profit or not is a different issue, but they should not lose money. That is the Apex policy. And I would like to thank the entire ADC team for standing by me in this troubled times. Of course, one way there is COVID trouble going on, the other way there is some technical issue going on, the other way we were struck with so many huge production of dollars, and it was a very hard time. And I would like to thank the leaders from North India like KC Srivastav, Kiran Mahajan, and Tejpal, Amrinder Singh, and Rajesh ji. And likewise from Tamil Nadu, I would definitely like to thank our leaders like Rafiq, Jaykumar, Netaji, Yasser, Perumal, and Shabu Kumar, and Panneer Selvam, and Vijay Nambiar. But the list is very big if I start reading the leaders of Tamil Nadu. Yes, I thank you everybody from the bottom of my heart, and please wait. We are coming out with a very great solution, and you all will be happy. The problems will be solved, and all the dollars will be encashed, and we will be ending up in a different business scenario. And this is regarding the ADC as it is running. And for the people who are looking into earn big money, we have got Plan B and Plan C, which you can do simultaneously. It does not mean that you should stop Plan A. Plan A is ADC. Plan B, you can start working on us with Asset Direct Ventures Private Limited, where you can earn huge money in the real estate business. And third, Plan C is the job market, which we have created. A gig economy, which is the most needed economy of the day, called gig economy at jobxrobot.com. And here also we are looking in for franchises, and franchises, whether it is Plan A, B or C, it has to be done purchased from the dollars, so that all the dollars are encashed immediately. And you can tell your teammates or your teams that yes, your dollars are not mere digital figures. It is equal to cash, and I am sure within 6 months the whole scenario is going to change and we will bounce back. Anyhow, 2020 is bad for the entire world because of Corona, but yes, things have changed. Things are improving. I heard there is a medicine which has been released in India for COVID. Similarly, we have found a very beautiful medicine for the ADC to to come back on the track. So I thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, and waiting soon to do business again, and keep watching your bank accounts. The moment you withdraw, we will deposit money in your bank accounts. Thank you very much.
இந்த வீடியோவில் உங்களுக்கு நிறைய இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் கிடச்சிருக்குன்னு நம்புகிறேன். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துருந்துச்சுன்னா மறக்காமல் இந்த வீடியோக்கு லைக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, அப்படியே உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நம்ம சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப், பக்கத்தில் உள்ள பெல் ஐக்கானை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அண்ட் டெலகிராம் குரூப்பில் ஜாயின் பண்ணலன்னா ஜஸ்ட் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் லிங்க் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஸோ குயிக்காக அப்டேட்ஸ்லாம் நீங்கள் அங்கே வாங்கிக்கலாம். ஸோ அடுத்தடுத்த வீடியோஸில் சந்திக்கலாம். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ.